So we have reached at the Baikala Zoo, the very closest zoo in Mumbai, and we are just purchasing the tickets. And the tickets, entry here is ₹5. Parth, what is the cost?
₹5.
So the tickets here are only for ₹5. So it's really very cheap. Yeah. So the price of tickets is really cheap, guys. So just we have entered, and let's see.
Now we are going to Rani Bagh.
So as usually there are many parents with their kids who have come here. You can see the parents with their kids. Some kids have come with had come with their grandfathers, grandmothers as well. They have security check at the entrance, so we are going in lane.
Camera ticket.
At entrance, there is ticket for your camera along with your own ticket. So they are asking a ticket to take a ticket for camera as well. So we got a ticket for our camera as well. So yeah, and it cost 10 rupees. So the individual ticket is 5 rupees and the camera ticket is for 10 rupees. So at the entrance, as you can see, there is a miniature, and I think it is a miniature of Ma Jizao. That's what it is, no? Yes. So you can see right behind me, there is a miniature with the two kids on the other side. So it's a statue of Ma Jizao with the two kids on the other side. So guys, just come here. So that's the entrance zone. And now we'll be going ahead from here. As you can see, there are many people, there are parents with their kids, there are kids with their grandparents. So this is the zoo, which is very close to the city in Mumbai. It's a bike. This is also known as Baikala Zoo. You guys get to see here is listed. So guys, you can see right there, you can see the deer. So there are some deers, there are some swans. So right here there are some birds. So you can see, guys, there are some birds, there are peacocks. There is also peacock. White. So there are some peacocks here. कौन है तो? कौन है? White cocktail. White cocktail. Cocktail है क्या? It looks like turkey, you know. हाँ. So these days, I think all the birds and animals here have turned into extinct. So they don't have that many birds and animals as it used to be earlier. So you won't have that thrill as it used to be when my parents used to visit this place. Guys, all the cages are empty now because they don't have any animals left. So that's why they are keeping our cute, lovely, teasing friend, the kitten, that many of us like. So they have kept kitten in such big cages, which once used to be filled with very ferocious animals like tigers, panthers and all. So they are now left only with a wild hyena. So it is really very disappointing to see the zoo, which was once enriched with the wild creatures like tigers and panthers, but now they have left only with the hyena and some kittens. So they have put on the barricades in the cage, but still I am trying to capture as much as possible. So just bear with the clarity. They also have mongoose. Mongoose in English में क्या बोलते हैं? So there are some mongoose. I don't know what they are called. So you can understand there is one animal who eats snakes. So he is also, this mongoose is also called the enemy of farmers because they dwell on the snakes, who are very important for the fertility, soil fertility I mean. So I think there are some crocodiles over there. So let's check out, guys. See, there is only one crocodile left. So everywhere you get to see only one animal here, because I don't know where are the rest of the animals.
In the stomach.
Yeah, probably because they lost fertility long time ago. So this is the condition. I don't know what to say, but still you get to see some wildlife here. The water is also drained. You can see there is a typical drought in this pond. It is nothing like pond. It is like a cement water pool. It is like a cement pool. Guys, you get to see animals here, but from far. That too very small, less number of animals. Like you can see, there are elephants, but there are only 2 elephants right there, and that is also so far from the pedestrians that we have to zoom on our cameras to take the capture. So my friend Parth is clicking my picture. So we guys have to zoom a lot to get the capture. So they have left only with 2 elephants, and that too they have created a bund, and they are so far that we cannot get a capture of them, and the visibility is also really very low. Guys, now see the most ancient tree. So there is one of the ancient tree here. Look at the bark, it is so thick. This tree has got the thickest bark. So we can consider this as one of the most ancient tree in the Mumbai. What kind of birds these are? Saras crane. What breed these are? Saras. They are Indian? The red head. He's dancing. क्या गया? 2 है वैसे. So guys, now we have entered into the human zoo. So as you can see, the human beings are lovely devilish creatures. So the Baikala Zoo has also got human zoo. So guys, let's listen to what are my friends' views on Jijabai Udyan. So how many stars you guys want to give to Jijabai Udyan?
1 star.
And you? 1. Okay. So you can see my friends Parth and Siddesh both have given only 1 star. And guys, I don't want to give any review. Just I'm showing you what is all there. So it's your own decision. If you want to visit this place, you can have a fine hangout at Jijabai Udyan. That's all I have to say. So from here next we'll be going to Sasun Dog, that is at Kolaba. Things can happen with you guys. So be aware while walking on the streets in Mumbai. Your legs may fall on the cow dung and that can lead to a great havoc for you. मर्जी तेरी दीवाना तेरा.
बहुत दूर है. हाँ वही तो. हाँ ये अंकल पूछना ये किधर आया है? तो जे किधर आया अंकल?
मुझे पता है.
किसको?
पता है. The gourmet list of the J. It's an open restaurant, but the negative part is that you don't have any. There is no system for sitting, so you won't get tables. You can just order your food and you can take the parcels. So what we are going to have now?
There's something like chicken sausage. Sausage का कैसा होता ना?
So guys, which item is this?
Honey sausage.
Honey mustard sausage. So this is chicken mustard sausage. It contains total 6 sausages. So now we are just focusing to have it.